BeeBusinessBee fans, and welcome to today's vlog where I'm going to look at the topic of CoinMaster. You can't have been anywhere if you don't know what CoinMaster is. CoinMaster is an app. It's the biggest thing since Pokemon Go. It's the big thing, the big craze that everybody's talking about, and it's all about the free spin. Now, I want to look at this from a business perspective. What a clever app this is. Because when you think about this business model, it's got repeated loyalty. Because to get your free spins, you come back every hour. So you come back every hour, you get your free spins. That's getting repetition. Now think about the business angle from this. They're getting paid by the advertising revenue. And every time you go on the app, you see the adverts. If you keep coming back, that means more adverts being viewed, more money for the developer. That's the business logic that goes behind this model when it comes to CoinMaster. Of course, there's even more to this because not only is it content on getting its existing users back to have repeat loyalty, but it's got incentives to get new ones because if you share out, you invite friends, you invite all your fellow colleagues and family members, you are also going to get free spins. But as well as getting free spins, what are you doing? Attracting more revenue to them because that's more viewers of the adverts and that means more money for the developer. And of course, they don't stop there. Because then they've thought about how can we get in-app purchases. So once they've got you hooked to the app, once they've got that repetition and that loyalty, if you run out of spins, how can you get more? You can buy them, the in-app purchases. And that is how the model is working. It's giving you that add-on, that premium service. So there's a free basic service. But if you need more, you can pay for more. The business logic behind this is absolutely fantastic because whoever's developed this model has really thought about how can they get more out of you when you're using CoinMaster. So it's all about inviting friends and family, gets you more spins. All about getting you coming back on a regular basis, gets you more spins. All about that idea that the game is based around somebody could be attacking you at that point now. As you watch this video, you could be attacked. But it's getting you back to the loyalty angle. Customer loyalty. The app is getting you loyal to it, which means more adverts, more displays, and more money being made. And that is how the game is working. So when you think about free spins and you're worried about your free spins, think about the business logic behind this. CoinMaster is an absolutely fantastic example at the moment of customer loyalty, repeat custom, and even making a free model pay. That's how it's being paid for, by the advertising revenue. So next time you see an advert, just think you're actually paying to play that game. And remember, until next time, keep buzzing.